All right, so now the cluster is loaded, minus the housing, minus the LCDs. Just want you to watch closely what happens when power is applied from this bench power supply and how the needles move from whatever initial position I have them in to their actual resting position. This represents the position they're going to be in when they're installed in the vehicle and you open the doors or something like that. So, how do you determine where that needle is going to land? This is where it is initially. Apply a little bit of extra force. That's going to be your resting position. Same for this guy. A little bit of extra force. That's going to be your resting position. A little bit of extra force. That's going to be your resting position. If you've got a lot of shaft play in your motor, or if you set the needles up correctly and they're still not doing what you expect them to do, you may need to verify that you're getting the correct ohms from your fuel level sender. Typically about 3 ohms is going to be a full tank. 40-ish ohms is going to be like a half tank. I forget what I normally set my ohm decade at for an empty tank. I'll look it up. But if you need a replacement stepper motor or if you need additional troubleshooting steps for the gauge, let me know. But hopefully this information regarding positioning the needles is enough to get you sorted out.